Welcome to this presentation on the upper cervical chiropractic technique lineage. This project, initiated by Dr. Joseph Ierano, explores a century of innovation in upper cervical care, mapping the historical connections that have shaped this vital subdiscipline of chiropractic. Upper cervical specific technique is arguably the single most important subdiscipline in chiropractic. Yet, until now, no definitive schematic representation of its origins and lineage has existed. Multiple independent stories have circulated for decades, each favourable to one person's recollections, but largely isolated from one another. This project presents the first structured lineage diagram tracing how upper cervical chiropractic came to be what it is today, built from available literature and personal communications. The story begins with the Palmers. D.D. Palmer, the founder of chiropractic, developed the full spine technique in 1895. His son, B.J. Palmer, expanded the profession, introducing spinography in 1909 and pioneering the Palmer upper cervical hole-in-one technique in 1931, introducing the articular adjustment concept and the toggle recoil method. From B.J. Palmer's foundational work, two distinct adjustment pathways diverged. The first was the hand-only adjustment, refined by A.A. Wernsing, who developed the orthogonal concept. The second pathway was instrument-assisted adjustment. A.D. Zimmerman created the first Atlas adjusting instrument in 1948, establishing instrument-assisted adjustment as a distinct branch of upper cervical technique.
Following the orthogonal lineage, J.F. Grostic developed the Grostic technique, introducing precise mathematical analysis of upper cervical misalignment. R.W. Sweat, a student of Grostic and Gregory, co-founded orthospinology in 1977 and later founded the Atlas orthogonal technique in 1980. R.R. Gregory co-founded NUCCA in 1966, which later evolved into QSM3. B.J. Palmer's toggle recoil spawned two powerful technique families. The side posture branch was developed by W.G. Blair, who introduced 8 unique X-ray views. The knee-chest branch was developed by L.W. Sherman and expanded by M.U. Kale, resulting in the knee-chest upper cervical technique. Here we see the complete lineage diagram, 1 century of upper cervical innovation mapped out. From the Palmers at the top, the diagram traces the divergence into hand-only and instrument-assisted methods, following the orthogonal, side posture, and knee-chest branches, down to the modern techniques practiced today. To summarise, 6 major upper cervical techniques trace back to one source. Atlas orthogonal and orthospinology utilise instrument adjustment. NUCCA and QSM3 utilise hand adjustment in side posture. Blair utilises side posture toggle recoil, and the Kale technique utilises the knee-chest approach. All 6 share a common origin, B.J. Palmer's upper cervical hole-in-one from 1931. Why does this history matter? Because the examination and treatment of the craniocervical junction is of supreme importance to human function. Upper cervical specific chiropractic addresses occult trauma, fine millimetric subluxations detected on precisely aligned radiographs, and soft tissue changes identified through skilled palpation. This lineage project was initiated by Dr. Joseph Ierano, a 1997 graduate of Palmer College of Chiropractic, certified instructor in Atlas orthogonal technique, and currently in private practice in Sydney, Australia. This lineage remains a work in progress. Clinicians, historians, and researchers with additional detail are invited to contribute. Thank you for watching.